Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to sort sheets in your Google Sheet. So what we want to do is I want to alphabetize this from A to Z. If you need to, you could also do from Z to A. But first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that the column is selected that I want sorted. So we're going to make sure we do that first. It doesn't have to be all highlighted. So we're going to do that. We're going to go up to the tab where it says data, and we're going to go down to the first option and hover over that where it says sort sheet. This is where we're going to make sure the right data is selected. Column K is what I want to sort. So I can either sort from A to Z or Z to A. Because my first part of my column is a merged column, this will also be in it where it says sorting sheets. So you'll kind of be able to see that noticeably. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort the sheet by column K from A to Z. And once we do that, you can see that everything is now lined up alphabetically. And if you found this video to be helpful, check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Bye.